Hey everybody. So before we jump into today's math problem, let's take a moment to focus on our breathing and relax. So sit up straight and gently close your eyes. Put your left hand on your belly and your right hand on your heart. And inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your abdomen rising and your sternum rising. And exhale slowly through your nose, feeling tension in your body relaxing and releasing. Inhale deeply through your nose. Feel the air filling you up. Relax your shoulders. Exhale through your nose. Inhale deeply, sending the breath to any parts of your body that may be feeling some tension. Exhale slowly through your nose, feeling the tension release, feeling your spine grow longer. One last slow inhale, nice and deep, nice and full. And when you get to the top, just hold your breath for a few seconds and see how slowly you can exhale through your nose, savoring that breath. And gently open your eyes. Here's a problem from the College Board. It's from section 3 of the SAT test, which does not allow calculators. And it says, which of the following ordered pairs, x, y, satisfies the system of equations above? And we're given 4 choices, and we have to figure out which of those is correct. So take a moment to work on this and see what you can do. Don't worry if you're not sure how to approach this. You can even just take a guess, and then we'll have a look at it together. You saw that there are 2 equations with 2 variables, and your instinct may be to go ahead and solve this as a system of equations, combining the 2 equations, solving for x and y, which is a perfectly legitimate approach. So I actually want to encourage you on this problem to be lazy and think about how can we approach this problem to zero in on the answer a little more quickly. So I want you to look carefully at the first equation. You see that x plus y equals 0. So what does that tell us? If we know that 2 numbers add up to 0, that means that they must be the same value but opposite signs from each other. So we can immediately look at the choices and see that we can eliminate A and we can eliminate D because those don't have the same number in the x and y value but with opposite signs. So we now know that our answer is going to be either B or C, which is 2 and -2 or -2 and 2. Now what are we going to do? We know that for each of those choices, the x and y value works in the first equation. So now let's look at the second equation. And all we're going to do is we're going to test one of the answers. So let's start with B and see if it happens to make the equation true. If it does, great, we have the answer. And if it doesn't, also great, because then we know that C is correct. So let's work through this. We have 3x minus 2y equals 10. And I'm just going to substitute the answer B values for x and y. So the x value is 2 and the y value is -2. And we want to know whether that is equal to 10. Well, I have 6 plus 4, which does indeed equal 10. So now we know that B is the correct choice. We have our answer. So I hope that you see, especially with these multiple choice problems, that you don't necessarily have to complete the entire problem and generate the solution like you would normally do in math class. And that's a good skill to have. But with these multiple choice questions, especially on a test that goes rapidly, it's totally fine to eliminate answers as we did with A and D, and then just test a value. And we saw that B worked, so that's the answer. I hope you enjoyed seeing this strategy. If you have any questions or any requests, please leave them in the comments below. And if you subscribe to this channel, you'll be notified of new videos as they get posted. Thank you and look forward to seeing you again.